have your attention, please. This ride lasts about 15 to 20 minutes. You ask that you remain seated the entire time. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know.
Oh my gosh, here we go, your first hayride! Woohoo!
Hey, come here. Look. Hey. Look. Oh. Oh, absolutely. Okay, that's good.
Hi, chơi cho. Lely, 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 Lely. Hey, Lely, Lely. Lướt thẻ.
What is the minion in the
Back that way. Yeah.
Look at that!
Oh, say hi, Lely. Hi.
How's everybody doing? If you look to the left, you can see our 2.5-acre corn maze that has about a mile of trails you got to try and navigate your way through. It'll take you about 15 minutes to complete that journey. That is if you can find your way out. Take us straight.
Kecil bukit lele. Okay, bye bye.
Do you guys agree that elevator music is just bad on so many levels?